Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you all how to do a performance test for your air conditioner in your car or truck. So right now we have AC car gauge reading. So the first step you wanna do is connect the low side, which is the top line. Wanna make sure that the plug are close. Plug it in. Open it, and for the high side, same step, make sure that's closed. Take off the cap and open it. As you can see right now, it's showing the ambient temperature, which is 85 right now on the car, because the car has been turned on. But the car was in the morning will be like 75 or 70, which the temperature is gonna be lower. So what your next step is, when I go store the car, what you wanna do is start the car and put it your AC on the mat. And as you can see right now, the temperature went the pressure to 40 to 50, which is the right pressure to be on a car, and your low one is between 30 and 40. You can just wait a couple minutes so the AC can work properly for a couple minutes. What you wanna do now to discharge the line, you wanna close the high side first. And disconnect it. Put the plug back, make sure. Go back to the place. And what you're gonna do to clear the hose, open both. As you can see, the pressure is going down because the AC system is taking the pressure out of the line. It's typical to have a little pressure on the gauges after you've done a performance test. After you see that's on the lowest, you want to go ahead and close it. Just close the low side. And that will be all. Thank you for watching.